Hey guys, it's me again. I found out this was a lot faster than putting it on the camera and trying to get it up. But I'm gonna start asking questions, you guys questions, about stuff that I can improve on, and hopefully I can do this every week, if not every 2 weeks or whatever. It just depends on how long you guys take to answer. Um, my question for today, or for this week, since today's technically Sunday, um, I don't know if we'll count it, but whatever. I'm wondering if I can connect a 1000 Kenwood watt amp with my 600 one in my room. Now that video's up, and I'll put a link to that one. And that's when I was getting back on the videos, which I said um, I'll put that up, and I just want to see if that would work, if that'd be okay, and also how do you wire two amps? Like, I've kind of gone on the subject, but I'd rather hear it from you guys that I trust a little bit more than someone writing it on the computer, which is really retarded to say, but yeah. So let me know, and any help is great, and you guys are awesome. Thanks for subscribing, and hope you can help me out with this question.